We are team 50831, Holy Redeemer, and our robot has 2 large motors on either side for the wheels and 1 small motor for the arm. The height of the robot is less than 20 centimeters. And then we're gonna, and it fits into this small square within home. And then we have our innovation project model.
And then we will be doing the treadmill first, and then we're doing the step counter. We'll go under the bar, and we'll do the dance party. And the treadmill and step counter are at their beginning points.
So we're going to Three, two, one, let go. Too far off to the side.
Okay, so we're just gonna go from that. We're gonna, we'll continue the video, and then
I think you should